Can you give me a little discount? Can you give me a little discount? ¿Podría hacerme un pequeño descuento? I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. No pretendía hacer eso. Do you fish? Do you fish? ¿Pescas? What time does the store close? What time does the store close? ¿A qué hora cierra la tienda? This is between you and me. This is between you and me. Esto es entre tú y yo. There is no signal here. There is no signal here. Aquí no hay cobertura. I'm tied up until 2. I'm tied up until 2. Estoy ocupado hasta las 2. That was weird. That was weird. Eso fue extraño. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? ¿Está ocupado este asiento? Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Quizás la próxima vez. How do you use this? How do you use this? ¿Cómo usas esto? I'll take you anywhere you want. I'll take you anywhere you want. Te llevaré a cualquier sitio que te apetezca. Let me take down your number. Let me take down your number. Déjame apuntar tu número. We had an examination in English yesterday. We had an examination in English yesterday. Ayer tuvimos un examen en inglés. Who does she look like? Who does she look like? ¿Qué aspecto tiene? Am I bothering you? Am I bothering you? ¿Te estoy molestando? What's your budget? What's your budget? ¿Cuál es tu presupuesto? Like what? Like what? ¿Cómo qué? How about a break? How about a break? ¿Qué tal si tomamos un descanso? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Espera un minuto. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. No te lo pierdas. I'll be glad to help. I'll be glad to help. Le ayudaré encantado. Is breakfast complimentary? Is breakfast complimentary? ¿Es el desayuno gratuito? About how long will it take? About how long will it take? ¿Cuánto va a tardar aproximadamente? I'm not satisfied with the company's service. I'm not satisfied with the company's service. No estoy satisfecho con el servicio de la compañía. I wish I could swim. I wish I could swim. Me gustaría poder nadar. What's inside? What's inside? ¿Qué hay dentro? You can take as many as you want. You can take as many as you want. Puedes coger tantos como quieras. I've got good news. I've got good news. Tengo buenas noticias. Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. Sí, tienes razón. Can I throw this here? Can I throw this here? ¿Puedo tirar esto aquí? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? ¿Dónde quedamos? It's humid today. It's humid today. Hoy hay humedad. You're never too old to learn. You're never too old to learn. Nunca eres muy viejo para aprender. May I ask who's calling, please? May I ask who's calling, please? Por favor, ¿puedo preguntar quién llama? May I ask a question? May I ask a question? ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta? Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Todo el mundo comete errores. Shall I get you something to drink? Shall I get you something to drink? ¿Te consigo algo de beber? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? ¿Qué puedo hacer por ti? You won't be in time for school. You won't be in time for school. No llegarás a tiempo para ir al colegio. I'm really looking forward to my vacation. I'm really looking forward to my vacation. Estoy deseando irme de vacaciones. Can I try these on? Can I try these on? ¿Puedo probármelos? It took more time than I'd expect. It took more time than I'd expect. Me llevó más tiempo del que creía. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Déjamelo a mí. Take your time. Take your time. Tómate tu tiempo. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Voy de camino. Would you call us a taxi? Would you call us a taxi? ¿Nos podrías llamar a un taxi? What a beautiful flower this is. What a beautiful flower this is. Qué flor tan bonita. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. Estoy muy cansado. Is your school far from your home? Is your school far from your home? ¿Está tu escuela lejos de tu casa? Would you like something hot to drink? Would you like something hot to drink? ¿Quieres beber algo caliente? Which one do you like better? Which one do you like better? ¿Cuál de los dos te gusta más? Could I talk to you for a minute? Could I talk to you for a minute? ¿Podría hablar contigo un minuto? I'm truly grateful. I'm truly grateful. Estoy realmente agradecido. Do it any way you like. Do it any way you like. Hazlo como quieras. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. Estoy de vacaciones. I can't concentrate. I can't concentrate. No me puedo concentrar. Is that all? Is that all? ¿Eso es todo? There are trains every 20 minutes. There are trains every 20 minutes. Hay trenes cada 20 minutos. Please tell me the phone number. Please tell me the phone number. Por favor, deme el número de teléfono. Can I access the internet from here? Can I access the internet from here? ¿Puedo acceder al internet desde aquí? You forgot something. You forgot something. Te olvidaste algo. That's really something. That's really something. Eso es impresionante. Can you let me off here? Can you let me off here? ¿Puedes sacarme de aquí? I hope you like it. I hope you like it. Espero que te guste. You're up early. You're up early. Te has levantado temprano. What's new? What's new? ¿Qué hay de nuevo? It smells good. It smells good. Huele bien. I have no idea. I have no idea. No tengo ni idea. Should I take off my shoes? Should I take off my shoes? ¿Debería quitarme mis zapatos? This house is not very large. This house is not very large. Esta casa no es grande. When should we check out? When should we check out? ¿Cuándo tenemos que dejar la habitación? I'll count on you. I'll count on you. Contaré contigo. Please feel free to call me up. Please feel free to call me up. Por favor, llámame cuando quieras. I'm sure she'll come soon. I'm sure she'll come soon. Seguro que llegará pronto. I wish I could stay longer. I wish I could stay longer. Me gustaría poder quedarme más tiempo. Give me the spelling. Give me the spelling. Deletréalo.